Gear down.
Ready?
Alright boys, what's the plan?
There is no plan. Let's just go crazy.
Oh, there's a plan.
Don't chase me!
Everyone, initiate
Leave me alone!
Hey guys, I think Ray should be the lead pilot today. Why do you cut
Wait! Ah!
Ray, why don't you cut out the middleman and you fly? You can take off first.
Alright, Jack.
Jack, can you scoot like 3 steps up?
Yes.
Take 4 steps to your left, please.
You guys gonna harass me. You better not harass me. No harassment.
What? I couldn't hear you.
Huh?
What?
What?
What? Go. Ray's like, I gotta get out. Ray's like, I gotta get out of here.
Wait! Ah! How am I supposed to go?
Alright, guys. Wait.
I'm going.
Hang it out. Go, Follow the hawk.
No! Stay away.
Follow the hawk.
Oh!
Wait, which one is he?
He's the one going up.
Oh,
Ah!
he's dive bombing. Get him.
I told you guys don't know what you're going after here.
Whistle. Oh yeah, Mr. 70s.
Oh, bye. Bye.
Go fast!
Alright, Ray. What we said, Ray? What we said? What now, Ray? What now? What now, Ray? Wait, there you are, Ray. I got you.
Oh no, did Jack go down?
Yeah, Jack. Alright, let's.
Jack went down, guys.
Alright, everybody calm down for a second.
Yeah,
Operation
calm down.
Get Ray is officially suspended.
Because
I think we might have been a little too excited for Jack.
Alright, we gotta do a memorial now. Alright, go ahead.
Shit.
We should just let's
Yeah, I think we might have been a little too excited for Jack.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I was looking at my own plane. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I sort of. Max, he's getting away. That was cool.
You guys are crazy.
that like dive snap I did. I was like,
Me and Ray got really close to the spot.
Yeah, we did. I feel bad about Jack. I don't know what happened.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Crap.
2,
Yes, I did.
1. Time expired.
Landing.
Formation pass.
You did that whole little jerk
Yeah,
thing.
I'm gonna do a gear check. I feel bad. I hope it's okay.
I think he's.
I'll be last. Ray, you gonna keep flying or? Ray, what's your timer?
I'm time to come in.
I'm out of time anyway, so I'm good.
I just hope. I hope we didn't cause Jack to crash. I feel really bad.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
I think he said it exploded. He said it exploded.
He said that?
Yeah, he said it.
Serious?
It went straight in, is what he said.
What? The way he thought like died.
Guy, we should go help him. I'm clear, right?
Oh crap, man. Where did it go in?
I have no idea. I think he lost it.
We're going a little, I think we're going a little too crazy.
You want to go help him?
Yeah, you should.
1 minute over. Flaps up.
I feel bad. I don't even know where, oh, it's over there. I see it. Straight ahead.
Is that what that is?
I think that's it. I think that's it right there.